नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज़ JVN डॉक्टर राकेश शर्मा, प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गनन ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड होम्योपैथिक फिलोसॉफी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर। I welcome all of you in the practical session of organon of medicine and homeopathic philosophy. My today topic is practical case taking. In my last lectures, I have discussed how general introduction of case taking, how we efficiently take the case. Our whole success of the case depend upon how we take the case, how we receive the case. If we take properly case, if we take proper history in the case, if we properly understand the person, then our 50% work has been done. Means chances of curability is much more increased. So let's move to next part of the case taking, that is approach to the patient. The physician should approach his patients with humility and gratitude, with confidence and pride in the responsibility which will be his for the remainder of his life. It is all a matter of communication between patient and physician. So the physician should approach his patient with humility and gratitude. Now these are the basic necessity about doctor or physician behavior ethics, that is the humility and the gratitude. Means physician should have humility and gratitude with confidence and pride in the responsibility which will be his for the remainder of his life. It is all a matter of communication between patient and the physician. It is no exaggeration. It is no exaggeration to say that even facial expressions, tone of voice, and manner of movement can affect the ability to elicit the patient's story and to lead him back to health. Means physician should have humility and gratitude, take full confidence in the patient, and how patient narrate, how patient communicate with the doctor in the clinic, that is very very important. How is his tone, how his voice, and how he interact, all things are very very important and the part of the case taking, that is the observation part of the physician. Some patient says in high tone, some patient speak in low tone, some speak in mild tone. So actually tone describes the emotion of the patient. If patient in anger mood, in irritable mood, in quarrelsome mood, then his voice becomes high volume. If patient is very meek, mild, yielding, then his voice becomes very mild tone, soft tone. So every emotion in the mind of patient will reflect in the tone, in the voice. So physician should be very attentive while taking the case, because any information come through any channel, through the observation, through the subjective symptoms, through the communication, anything way we can collect the information. It is no exaggeration to say that even facial expressions also totally depend on the emotions of the person, of the patient. His mannerism, his gestures also are very important part in case taking. For it is in such outward signs that we display those attitudes of mind, impatience, boredom. Means through the observation we can easily observe patient is impatience or restlessness, boredom, embarrassment feeling, reproaches feeling, irritability, anger. All these things we can easily identify through the observation. In the presence of his patient, the physician must master his emotions, clear his mind of distracting thoughts, and avoid all appearances of haste. His manner should be alert and attentive, yet gentle and sympathetic. Now, the part of physician during case taking is physician should be gentle, physician should be calm, avoid all hastiness. His manner should be alert and attentive, gentle and sympathetic approach to the patient. Without these qualities, he will neither obtain the facts needed for the diagnosis nor effectively convey the advice essential to the patient. So, in this paragraph, actually, we understand the attitude of the physician and the observation skill of the physician. So, the first thing is physician should be calm in gentle mild way, not in a hesitating approach. Physician should have humility and gratitude to the patient. Now, second thing is the observation part. Physician always should be keen observer. He has to observe the emotions through the tone of the patient, through the gestures of the body, through the mannerism of the patient, and some facial expressions. All these things are basically connected to our mind and especially connected to the emotion of the patient. If patient is weeping mood or in a calm state, in a contented state, then his tone, his voice becomes changed according to the emotions. In anger, his voice becomes high pitched, high volume. So, all these things should be collected through the observation part also. So, physician has to work on all aspect. Anything useful information come from any source. So, thank you. We will continue in next lecture the remaining part of the case taking. Thank you.